Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a color change effect in InShot, where every time you tap or touch something in your video, the color changes smoothly. It's super easy and you can do it all inside InShot without any extra apps. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open InShot and then tap on video and then just import your video, preferably a video where you tap or touch an object several times like this. This effect works best if your taps are clear and visible in the shot. Next, just drag the timeline to the first tab in your video. Like this, and then just tap on split like this, and then move the second tab. And then split again, and then just repeat this step for every tab in your clip. Each time your hand touches the objects, make a split. So basically you will end up with a multiple short clip, one for each tab moment. Like this. And now let's add the color change. Just go back to the first split clip on here, and then just tap on effect, and then go to adjust, and then go to and then tap on HSL. This stands for hue, saturations, and luminance. Now just drag the hue on the color that same as the objects. So just drag on this color. Just drag it until the object changes color, like this. And okay, like this. And once you're done, your video will look like this. Okay, like this. You will see the color changing each time you tap, and it looks super cool, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!